Hey guys, what's up? So I just got a question that on my Instagram, Vishal, how to stop being needy? That I always find myself being needy with other people. I find myself being needy with when I'm dealing with situations. So here's what my take on it. Here's how I deal when I feel that I'm being needy in certain situation. So first we need to understand that what is being needy. Being needy is wanting other people in our lives, wanting attention from those people, wanting other people's presence in our life, or it can be wanting things, wanting opportunities. A person who is needy is always feels a void inside him. So whenever he goes in a crowd, whenever he has having a conversation with someone, people can feel that needy energy. The first you need to understand that being needy is not a cause, it's a symptom. Being needy is a symptom of multiple causes. So few of those causes can be an insecurity of missing out, insecurity of not getting enough opportunities like other people. Suppose you are at a certain platform and the other people are also at the same platform, so you can have an insecurity that these people in the future will go way ahead of me, they will pass me, so I don't want to be left out. Or there can be an insecurity that I'll be lonely if I don't be with people, if I don't sometimes we have a feeling that I have to add to the conversation. I don't generally add to the conversation and that will make me boring, but that doesn't actually happen. If you don't have something to add in the conversation, how would you do that? But when you are needy, you desperately do that, and people can feel that desperation. People can feel that you're trying to be good with them, you're trying to be nice with them, we are not actually are. So what I do in this situation is, I won't say this is a perfect thing, but this is something that works for me. You need to start working on a goal, and preferably that goal should be a money goal. Now why I say money, because when you earn money, when you're making money, you feel good about yourself, and that happens with everyone. If your bank account is increasing, you'll feel good, you'll feel proud of yourself that you're doing something in life. So what you can do is set a money goal for yourself, that I want to make this much amount of money. And when you have set that goal, start working on that goal. Now I'm not saying that you will stop feeling needy, you will still feel the need. You will always, whenever you are not doing something in your mind, you will again want people to in your life, or you would want to hang out with people. But the thing is, when you are working on a money goal, you will be busy in doing other things also. And when you are successfully working on it, now what I mean by successfully is you are putting efforts towards your goal, soon you will start making money. Soon you will find out ways, you will find out new ways, you will find out new talent about yourself, you will develop new skills that will help you make money. And when you will start making money, you will feel better. As you will feel better, you will be more happy, and when you will be more happy, people will naturally get attracted to you. Why? See, you are making money, you are someone who is growing in life, you are someone who is learning new skills, you are someone who is becoming better, and that is what makes people get attracted to you. People want to know what is he doing. Like, your buddies would be interested in knowing what is he doing to make money. And when you're hanging out with them, you would always have money to spend on food, or you're going shopping with someone, you have the money to shop, you're traveling, you have the money to spend. And when you have the money to spend, everyone wants you to be the part of their program or part of whatever they are planning. So I'm not saying this is an absolute thing. I'm not saying that if you will make money, you will immediately do away with all the insecurities that you have. Everything that is happening inside you, building up inside you, will go away. However, this is something that has worked for many people. So I would suggest that set a money goal for yourself, start making some money, get busy in your life, learn new skills, and soon girls, guys, everyone will find you attractive and would want you to be part of their plans. I hope this makes sense to you. Done.